Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to install Spyder headlights on a Toyota Sienna from 2015 to 17. So let's go ahead and pop the hood and get started. Okay, so let's start by popping off these clips. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And with a small flat head or a panel popper, you can remove these. After you remove the clips, you can pull this up and you can just pull the grill straight out. Now remove 3 more clips, securing the top of the bumper. Okay, now turn the wheel to the side and you're going to remove 1 Phillips screw and 1 plastic clip. Okay, you can remove this screw with a Phillips or a 8mm socket. And next you can remove the plastic clip. Just turn it horizontal with a small flathead, and then you could just pop it off. Let's protect the body panel with masking tape to prevent any scratches. Now you can pop the bumper off by pulling the side here. So after you did the same to the other side, you can now pull the top of the bumper slightly forward. With your 10mm socket, remove this bumper bracket. Now you can just wiggle off this bracket and pop it off. Remove 2 10mm bolts securing the headlight. Unseat the headlight, lifting these tabs, pull your headlight out. Disconnect your side marker, disconnect your low beam, disconnect your high beam, disconnect your signal, and disconnect your light bar. Remove your headlight. Okay, now we can bring in our Spyder headlight, and let's go ahead and connect the side marker, our low beam, high beam, the light bar, and your signal. Seat the headlight in place. Install the top bolt. With your 10mm socket, install this bumper bracket. Next, install the plastic clip. Install the screw with a Phillips or 8mm socket. After we did the same steps to the other side, push the bumper back into place. You can put these plastic tabs back in. Slide your grill back on. Lock it in place with the plastic tabs. Now that we're finished with our installation, let's close the hood, test out the functions, make sure everything works properly so that we could safely get back on the road.